Drizoro Maxroad is for the repair of roads with high loads, or vehicular traffic. Where necessary, vehicular traffic can be restored easily within a couple of hours. Maxroad is a cement-based, fast-setting, patching material that develops high compressive strength. Drizoro Maxroad will allow the repair of roads and other load-bearing traffic areas to be back in service in 1 hour. After, preparation of areas for repair to the concrete pavement are completed. Drizoro Maxrest Passive, a one-component liquid product, which is ready to use and contains an oxide converter, which is applied for the corrosion protection of the reinforcing bars and any other steel and iron surfaces against corrosion. Once applied, Drizoro Maxrest Passive neutralizes the corrosion process, reacting quickly with the rust and transforms iron oxide into a stable passive layer, providing full protection against corrosion, salts, acid and alkali attack. Finished surface is ready for your traffic after 1 hour. Learn more about the benefits of Drizoro Maxroad on our website online waterproofing-shop.com/product/Drizoro-Maxroad/copy and paste the link below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this as we update our channel.